Liquid organic fertilizers are beneficial for improving soil fertility, providing essential nutrients for plants, improving crop quality, such as flavor, size, and durability, increasing plant resistance to pests and diseases, and reducing dependence on chemical fertilizers. Liquid organic fertilizers are also environmentally friendly and can be made from organic waste, making them a cost-effective and sustainable solution. Tomato juice and mango peel juice can be used as liquid organic fertilizer for plants. This fertilizer can nourish plants because it contains various essential nutrients. Benefits of tomato juice for plants. Tomato juice or waste has several benefits as an organic fertilizer. Promotes growth. Tomatoes contain oligosaccharides, which are compounds that promote plant growth. Reduces soil pH. Because tomatoes are acidic, they can lower soil pH levels, which is suitable for plants that prefer slightly acidic conditions, such as azaleas and rhododendrons. However, for plants that require a higher pH, such as lettuce and chili peppers, tomato juice may not be suitable. Source of potassium. The potassium content in tomato juice can help prevent yellowing of leaves. Contains the hormone auxin. The auxin in tomato juice can increase chloroplast production, which helps green plants. Benefits of mango peel juice for plants. Mango peel is also rich in nutrients that are beneficial for plants. Contains vitamins and minerals. Mango peel contains vitamin C, vitamin E, polyphenols, carotenoids, and plant fiber that support growth. Source of potassium and phosphorus. These nutrients are excellent for supporting plant fertility and growth. Rich in known organic matter. Liquid organic fertilizer from mango peel has a high organic carbon content. How to make liquid fertilizer from mango peels. Cut into small pieces. Cut the mango peels into small pieces to make them easier to decompose. Soak. Place the mango peel pieces in an airtight container and add air. About 1 liter for 1 mango peel. Let it sit. Cover the container and let it sit for 24 hours. The next day, open the container, stir, then cover again and let it sit for another 24 hours, 48 hours total. Strain. Strain the liquid from the soaking. Dilute. Coffee grounds are beneficial for plants as an organic fertilizer rich in nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium, which enriches the soil and can help repel pests and fungi. Other benefits include improving soil structure, increasing air retention, and attracting beneficial earthworms. Key benefits of coffee grounds for plants. Natural fertilizer. Rich in essential nutrients like nitrogen, potassium, and magnesium, which are essential for plant growth. Can be mixed directly into soil or compost to enrich its organic content. Soil health enhancer. Improves soil structure for better aeration and drainage. Improves the soil's ability to retain air, but prevents excessive buildup in dense clay soils. Attracts earthworms, which help loosen the soil. Pest and disease repellent. The aroma and texture of coffee grounds can deter pests like slugs. The caffeine content can help ward off fungal infections in plants. Improved plant growth. Several bioactive compounds in coffee grounds can act as biostimulants, increasing plant resistance to disease. Can help improve fruit and vegetable quality, such as size and weight. Advantages of liquid organic fertilizer. Environmentally friendly. Made from natural ingredients such as organic waste and animal manure, so it doesn't pollute the soil and air and helps reduce waste. Easily absorbed by plants. Its liquid form allows nutrients to be absorbed directly by the roots and leaves, thus accelerating plant growth. Improves soil fertility. Improves the physical, chemical, and biological properties of the soil, and increases the activity of beneficial microorganisms in the soil. Mixing. Cut all the organic ingredients into small pieces and add them to the fermentation container, filling about 2/3 of the way. Combine the organic ingredients with air, ferment, and brown sugar, molasses. Stir until well combined. Fermentation process. Tightly cover the container and store in a cool, dry place, away from direct sunlight. During the fermentation process, open the lid daily to release any gas produced. Fermentation usually lasts 1 to 2 weeks. The best time to apply organic fertilizer is in the morning, 6 o'clock to 9 a.m., or in the afternoon, after 4 p.m., to avoid evaporation due to intense sunlight. For solid organic fertilizers, such as manure, it's best to apply them 2 weeks before planting to allow the nutrients to readily absorb. For liquid organic fertilizers, morning, 6 o'clock to 9 a.m., when temperatures are still cool and plants are ready to absorb nutrients. Afternoon, after 4 p.m., when temperatures begin to drop and plants can absorb nutrients overnight. Avoid during intense sunlight or before heavy rain, as the fertilizer can evaporate or be washed away. For solid organic fertilizers, e.g., manure, 2 weeks before planting, apply the fertilizer and mix it into the soil. This gives the fertilizer time to decompose and enrich the soil before planting. During final harrowing, spread evenly over the growing medium during the final harrowing before planting. Additional tips: make sure the soil is moist. Fertilize when the soil is moist to help improve nutrient absorption. Pay attention to the growth phase. Apply organic fertilizer during the active growth phase of the plant. Homemade liquid organic fertilizer can enrich soil and plants because it contains essential nutrients that increase soil fertility, improve soil structure, and provide nutrients directly to plants. By improving soil structure, liquid organic fertilizer helps the soil become looser, more air-holding, and provides the necessary water for roots. It also supports more vigorous plant growth, increases yields, and strengthens roots, stems, and leaves. Plants will appear more fertile and healthy after being applied with liquid organic fertilizer, which can improve growth quality and yield directly from harvest. This fertilizer provides essential nutrients for the vegetative and generative development phases, as well as improving soil conditions, making them looser and more fertile. Signs of improved plants: better growth. Plants will grow taller, have sturdier stems, and greener, denser leaves. Increased yields. The quality and quantity of harvested fruits and vegetables will improve. Plant health. Plants are more resistant to disease and pests due to adequate nutrition and healthier soil conditions. Important to remember: use the correct dosage. The amount of fertilizer should be adjusted to the type and size of the plant for optimal results. Too high a concentration can be harmful. Proper application. Liquid organic fertilizer should be diluted with air and applied by pouring it onto the growing medium, not onto the leaves or stems. Pay attention to application timing. Apply fertilizer regularly, for example, every 10 days, and avoid mixing it with pesticides or fungicides.